Okay. So I'm going to click on number 1. And the color is green. Can you see number 1? Yeah, you can. Is there any more ones? Yes or no? I don't see any more. I can see one more at least. I can see last one. So I'm gonna click on number 2 now. I'm gonna click on number 2 now, and the color is pink. So I'm gonna color the 2. And is there any more 2s or is it no more? I think I see a little bit of some. So I'm gonna color it in. And I can't see. Can you see any more, guys? Yes or no? Oh, you're really lucky you found the last one. Now let's find the last one, I think. Now let's click on number 3. And can you find any of these? Oh, there's a leaf. I guess there's a leaf. So I'm clicking on the leaves. I think the leaf. Can you see any more leaves? Oh, I found one more. Can you see any more, guys? Or can you not see any more? I can't see any more. So let's click on number 4. I can see number 4. 1 here and 1 here. Can you see any more? Yes or no? No, you can't see any more? Okay, let's click on number 5 now then. Can I see number 5? Yes or no? I can't see a little bit of 5. So let's click on the number 6 and see if there's any more 6. Okay, is there any more 6s now? No? Let's click on number 7. What's the color? Yellow or orange? I think yellow. Looks like it. Now I'm done the color yellow. We'll see the color orange maybe. It's 8. Can you see any more 8? Yes or no? No? Okay, let's click on number 9 now. Now I'm nearly done. Now let's click on number 1. What's the number 1? Pink. So we'll see. Is there any number 1s? I found 1s. And 1. But I don't know what's the color, but it doesn't matter. I think it's peach. Can you see any more 1s? No. Where? Oh, yeah. You can't see 1? Okay, let's click on number 2 now. And this one is orange, I guess. Clicking. And what else? Can you see any more orange? Click on number 3 and see what's the color of it. I think it's yellow. So let's find the number 3. I found one here and here and here and here and here. Can you see any more? No? Let's click on number. Let's click on the number 4 now. And see 6. Oh, is there number 4s anywhere? No, kind of. I see one more 4 left. Can you see 4s? No. Okay, let's click on number 5 now. Can you find a 5 for me? Where can you find one? Nowhere? Okay, then let's click on number 6 and see. I see one here and here. Where else can I see? Here. And I guess one here. Can you see any more? No. Let's just click on 6. I maybe forgot something. Here. I can see the number 6 now. Let's click on the number 7 and see what's there. There. And I see 1 and 1 and 7. Is there any more? No. Let's click on the number 8. I can see 8 here. I can see 8 here. 8. Where else can you see an 8? Show me. You saw one here. Okay, I'll click on it. And I see 1. Can you see any more? 1 more. And the last one. And this color is blue. Can you see any more? Yes or no? No? Let's click on the number 9 then. And count. So we clicked it, and we clicked it, and we clicked it. And then we're done! Oh, we got 31. So let's click on the number 1. And this color is looks like yellow, but maybe. But there's 1 tree, 2 sheepses, 3 clouds, and I guess I'm just going to click on here, the sheep, and I'm gonna. Can you see any more ones? No. Let's click on the number 2 now and see. Oh, this one's a grey one. Can you see any more? No? Okay. Then let's click on the number 3. This color is, I guess, is brown. I'm gonna click on the number 3. And that one. This one. And that one. And the number 3 already. Let's go on click on the number 4. Can you see any more 4s? I didn't even click on the number 4 yet. I'm really silly. I can't even see a 1, 4. Oh, I can see 4 now. Is there any more 4s? No? Okay, let's click on the number 5 then. I can see more 5. This is really easy painting. I love painting all day. Do you like painting? Subscribe if you do like painting. Can you see any more 5s? No? So let's click on the number 6 then. And see. Oh, the number 6 is hard. Oh man, I found one. Now what I'm going to do if I can't find it? I'm going to click on the number 6 still. And I'm going to click on here. And last one here. Can you see any more 6 anywhere? No? Okay, let's click on the number 6. Oh yeah, I forgot the 6. You call the 6 brown. Oh, and the number 7. The 7's light blue. So, can I can see one more. Can you see one more now? No? Okay, then let's click on the number 8. And we'll see. And we'll see this. There's one more 8. Can you see any more 8s? No? Okay, let's click on the number 9. I clicked 1, click 2, click 3. Can you see any more? No. That's 53. If you like our video, please subscribe.